What is going on, guys? Welcome to this full day of eating supermodel style. Just kidding, but it is kind of, you know, I get to act like a supermodel because tomorrow I will be doing a very special shoot personally for myself, and it has been something that I've kind of been hinting towards you guys about that I will be launching soon. We're gonna be on the go, and basically how I prep for a photo shoot is I want to try and keep, long story short, my sodium intake a little more moderate than usual, and then I'm going to be intaking lower carb. So I'm gonna show you what a full day of eating looks like that with lower carb, just because when you do eat carbs, you pull water, and it makes you look a lot more fuller, and I kind of want to have a lot of control over what my body looks like tomorrow because I'm gonna be shooting for something very important. So that's hence why I am dieting the way that I am. This is not how I usually diet. If you are new to my channel, welcome so much. My channel is pretty much just full of full days of eating, fitness tips. I live a very healthy lifestyle. I come from a background of, I've done bikini before, I've done bodybuilding bikini, and then also powerlifting. So now I just live a day-to-day healthy lifestyle. So that is what you're gonna find on my channel. So welcome, I hope you enjoy this video. If it is your first time, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Yes, I sing occasionally. And also the like button, because it helps me out so much. So I'm starving. I literally have not ate because I've been wanting to wait to show you guys what I'm eating today. Is I use an app to track my macronutrients. I count my macronutrients, which is just when you track your protein, your carbs, and your fat. LifeSum, I love it so much because you're able to track a lot of things within it, not just your food, but like your water intake and like all that good stuff. So it's just a really good app that helps me keep track of not only my macronutrients, but also obviously today my sodium intake, what that's gonna look like. It'll add up all my food. So we're gonna go make some food right now because I'm freaking starving. So Santa Monica Promenade, and I'm gonna be going to either Lululemon or Athletica to pick out something for the shoot tomorrow. So we're gonna see where the day takes us because your girl is not a fan of going shopping. The beautiful porridge outcome. I'm sorry it's not as aesthetically pleasing, but this is one of my go-to staples for breakfast, and it is lower sodium, and that is our focus today. So it's just basically, and only for her protein, the pumpkin pie is so good to mix into protein, and then we have unsweetened almond milk. I use that in like everything, and then also we got some we got some berries. That is what I usually, that's like a staple as far as breakfast goes for me, what I usually have, and this is how I entered it into LifeSum and what it ends up coming out to be as far as like macros and then the breakdown of calories. When we are leaving on the go, as you guys know, I always bring stuff with me, especially stuff with protein. No, this is not sponsored at all. I just get whatever protein bars are on sale and this flavors that I like. So I'm doing a protein bar. Always take something with me that has protein in it. And then I've been loving these lately. I just get them from like Ralph's or any kind of grocery store like that. Simple Truth organic seltzer water. It's like 0 sodium, and it helps me feel very full. Obviously, I always drink water. So finally ready. It took me some time to get ready. You know how it goes being a girl when you get ready and what it usually happens and what it looks like. Outfit is from, just in case you had any questions. So this top, actually a lot of my stuff I get is usually from Forever 21 because they have super cute stuff and it's always super affordable. So I got this from Forever 21. It's a long sleeve little crop top. Jean jacket, actually. This is my second one because the first one I lost, but I wear it with like everything. Again, Forever 21. Not, but I am just like, I cannot bring myself to spend $100 on leggings, especially when Gymshark gives me just like the most amazing stuff. But I finally bought my first pair of Align leggings from Lululemon that were $100, and it broke my heart to spend that much money. But oh my gosh, I'm going broke. I want every color. They're so comfortable. I literally feel like I'm wearing nothing. These are my favorite Nike tennies, and they're called Prestos. They're called Prestos. but I'm so excited because not only did I find stuff to shoot in, but also I found freaking, this is not sponsored, I found sports bras that fit, okay? I have huge natural big boobs, 34 double D. Hard to find sports bras that, one, make it actually look flattering and like you're not doing too much. Two, have a lot of coverage. And three, biggest thing is the support of it. So you're able to like run in it, you're able to do any kind of high activity, high impact activity. They just came out with these, this particular size. So I'm an extra small, this is called Hyper Focus Bra D double D. I got this, cute, isn't this color so cute? And then I'm gonna match it with this for my shoot tomorrow. And I got the same exact other sports bra in black because you can never go wrong with black, and I'm also gonna be shooting in black. And then I also got this sports bra, which was also, this is really, really good coverage. As you see, there's like just an extra chunk compared to this one. And DW Lotus bra. I came home to Gymshark! I'm freaking so excited. I love whenever I come home to a package. And I'm pretty sure that this is all of their new high-waisted flex. You guys, y'all haven't got a pair, you need to get some, okay? It's always in my description box. They are squat motherfucking proof like no other. And they make the booty pop, lock, and drop. With tracking water, one, you guys, if you're not drinking enough water throughout the day, today I've been bad about my water intake, but water, it's just so important, not only to keep you hydrated, but you will notice that you are a lot less hungry if you're intaking a good amount of water a day. LifeSum is that you could literally track your water in there. So you're gonna be held accountable. Okay. But for a lot of people I know, it's really hard for them to get in water on a daily basis. So that is a really cool feature that it literally makes you track your water as well. So we are about to prep some meals right now. When you count your macronutrients, if you're not familiar with it, it honestly is the best way of practicing nutrition, whatever you're doing, dieting, maintaining, bulking, because it's a way of flexible dieting, okay? So I like to prep meals like this that look very plain, especially it's serving a purpose today, because all this stuff is just like low sodium unless you add seasoning to it. I had to stop by the stove and prepare to make meals, not only for today, to prepare me for tomorrow, but to prepare me for tomorrow, to prepare me for today. I just wanted to keep going with that, even though that doesn't make any sense. But obviously I'm gonna be at a shoot and I need to set myself up for success. So that means you prep your motherfucking meals. Okay, so I'm gonna show you quickly what I got. Some broccoli, Jenny O. She honestly has like, sponsor me Jenny O. I'm just kidding, maybe, no, maybe not. Ground turkey, so for example, a serving of this is only 1.5 grams of fat. And then also, because of balance, we got some vino! Prepped me probably around 2 to 3 meals. It's a good amount of potatoes, and then that's actually 3 turkey patties. I just like to make them into patties because it's a lot easier, because I know that it's a serving size because I weigh them out. And then also some broccoli, and this is what I'm going to have pre-gym. So I'm just having a turkey burger, and then I'm having some broccoli, and then also some ketchup. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I think I'm just gonna do like literally maybe like burn like 100 calories of cardio, take it very easy, just let my body rest so that I'm like good and tight for tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna sit in the sauna, sweat some extra water out that I don't need for tomorrow. Probably like a full body. I'll probably do some shoulders, overhead press, and then definitely a little bit of glutes, a little bit of legs, because you know. So that is what the gym is gonna look like today. And we are back. Just got back from the gym. This is my roommate, guys. Just got back from the gym, and I was literally sitting here for like 10 minutes trying to figure out what I'm having, because as you know, I'm keeping it a little bit lower carb today, but I think I'm gonna up my fats just a little bit, because tomorrow shooting, it's like a lot of freaking energy, so I definitely wanna have my calorie intake higher, so I'm gonna do that with fat. It's Revival healthy protein cookies. You guys, These are so good. I ate one of them for the past 2 nights, and they have like really, really good macros. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna probably end out with like a cookie and a half. Yeah, an entire cookie and a half. I'm telling you, the macros are legit and it's freaking bomb. If you like dewy, soft cookies, I really like that type of cookie. I don't like crunchy cookies, right?
Now I'm
you know what I'm saying? Yeah. She's a smaller company, but you guys, I have yet to try cookies this good with these good macros. For one of these bad boys, it is 13 fat, 25 carb, and then 10 protein. It has oatmeal, chocolate chip cookie, peanut butter chocolate chip, pumpkin spice. She gave me 2 of those. Counting macros is flexible. That's why everybody should count them. And then I'm going to actually have a glass of wine. How I weigh out my wine. So for a glass of wine, and I'll show you here how I input it into LifeSum, it's gonna be, I usually weigh it between like 126 to 130 grams on the scale. Count it depending on how you wanna deduct it as 10 fat or 22 carb. Sorry, no, 12, between 10 and 12 fat or 22 carb. Menage a trois midnight. I will be repurchasing. That's freaking good. It's really, really heavy. If you like cabs, this is a dark red blend. That is gonna actually conclude that video. Thank you so much for tuning in, watching the video. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited. I will be recording all tomorrow as well for behind the scenes of what I am going to be shooting for, what I'm getting ready for, and I hope you guys are ready because I am so freaking stoked. Make sure on the way out to definitely give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much, you guys, and I really appreciate it. And then also, hit that subscribe button. Right? One glass of wine a day keeps the doctor away. You heard it from me, you guys. All right. I'm about to eat these cookies, I'm about to have this wine, and I'm going to get a good night's rest for tomorrow. So I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video because you gon' subscribe. I love you, you're amazing.